Hello guys, that's Marcelo speaking. I am teaching you guys how to format a laptop or desktop with a pen drive device. I turn on the computer now or laptop and I press F9. It is a GP laptop. When it's a GP laptop, I have to press F9 to have the boot options to start the installation. So I have to choose the pen drive, USB hard drive. It's this one here, okay? And then I press enter and any key to go on the installation. I'm using an SSD, not hard drive inside. So it's going to be a fast installation, not take too long. The beginning process is very easy. It's not hard to understand. English again, install now. I'm using an Intel Core i5 V Pro. It's a very fast processor. I will choose Windows 7 Professional 64. Next, and I accept the license terms. Next again, custom advanced. I select this and I select this partition as well. And then I have to press new and then apply. You see that it creates a new partition. It's reserved for the system. It's normal. I click next again. Well, it takes a little time, and then I have to pause the video. When it's been almost 99%, I come back. Hi guys, it's 99% in the final, and now it will restart, reboot system, and we start the second part of the installation. Now I can take it out my pen drive. As you see, it's finishing, updating. It's going to be very fast because I'm using, reminding you guys, I'm using a SSD. After this, it will reboot for continuing the installation. Remember that the pen drive installed all the files in the hard drive of laptop. It's rebooting the system and start the second part of the installation. It's be faster now. Now I give a little pause. When it's finished, I will back again. Okay guys, it's over. And now I put the name, a username, I put client. And then next. I don't need password for a while. Next. And we'll use recommended settings. And then next again. And you start the desktop for the first time. Remember that I don't have any kind of driver. If I have a driver already, I have to install the driver. Forget the internet connection. I will insert my hard drive with the drivers of this notebook or laptop. I insert here in the laptop my hard driver with the drivers of this laptop. I will show you that when we made the format of this laptop, I don't have anything here. As you see, is everything yellow. When it's yellow, means that This driver is not installed. I just need, in this case, of the network driver, because I need the connection of internet. I look for my hard driver which contains the driver of this laptop. I will look this. Here is HP, because my laptop is 1 HP, and I look for the driver. Yes, it finds the driver. Okay, now I have the driver, and it means that I can connect in the internet right now. As you see, I have the internet here. I will connect the internet. I will put my password. Okay, it's connected. And then okay, now I have internet. I am connected in internet. I have to activate it. I have to activate my system because I will not crack. Because crack is not good. Crack is legal. It's not legal. Okay, I will insert now my serial number of Windows 7 Pro. I inserted the serial number. If I put ever the serial numbers is right, it will activate it successfully. Let's check if it's going to be alright. It's activating. Oh my god. I think it's going to be alright because it's downloaded and installing updates. I think it's good. It's good to see now. Oh, I have original, genuine Microsoft software. Good. Activation successful. Good. And now I have to do is updating for Windows 10. I can do it using the Microsoft website, or if I have the ISO already here, I can take my own ISO that I downloaded from Microsoft. So I put it in my website. I show you can access my website as well. It's going to be quicker, faster for you. Oh, I put wrong word. No, it's okay now. Oh, it's okay now. Media Creator 2 1909, okay? You can download from this website or you can download from Microsoft, no problem. And then just run, I not need to save. And then yes, I press yes. I will update for Windows 10 Pro. Original, genuine, no crack. Crack is not legal. Use always genuine products from Microsoft. Okay guys, I will take in a few minutes. I call back, one moment. Okay, when I put to run, I have this message for accept all agreements. I have to accept. If I decline, it will not install. So I want Windows 10, then I click accept. If you want to keep with Windows 7, it's okay. You don't need to update for Windows 10. In this case, I will install Windows 10. Then I click accept. When next screen, I will show you. I will have a little pause and I'll come back again. Okay, in this screen, the computer asks me if I want to upgrade this now, or I want to create an installation media USB flash drive. I don't want to create a media, I just want to upgrade this PC now. So I click next. Okay, I'm gonna give a little pause again. After this, I'll come back in the next screen. Okay guys, this is the next screen. As you see, similar the last one screen. And now I click accept here. And the next step, it's gonna ask me what I want to keep or if I don't want to keep anything, okay? Remember that I want to make a clean installation. My idea is not to keep anything in this laptop. I want to make a clean installation. And then I will choose for not leave anything here and to proceed the installation. So let's wait the next screen to see what the computer will ask me. Now here it is. Install Windows 10 Pro, keep personal files and apps, change what to keep. I don't want to keep anything, nothing, okay? I don't want to keep nothing because I am looking for a clean installation. I want Windows 10 without anything, clean, just clean. And then I click next. And the next screen, it's gonna ask me if I want to start installation. Just wait for a few seconds and then it is resumed. Install Windows 10 Pro, keep nothing. Yes, it is. That's it. And then install. That is the last time that I am seeing Windows 7 Pro. And now on, it's going to start many times, and next screen will be the Windows 10. Okay, I will pause now, and the next screen I will come back again, and I will help to follow the next steps. Okay guys, that is the next step. The laptop start, I guess, many times, and then I will choose now, choose your country. In this case I will choose United States. I'm gonna click yes. In the keyboard type is US and then yes again. I skip this, I don't want a second keyboard layout, though. Then I skip, and you connect my network again. Okay, I click next again. We are almost finishing the Windows 10 installation. If you follow all the steps the way I've taught you, I think it's gonna be alright. After that, I will check if it's really authenticate the key that I put it in Windows 7. I click next for personal use. I don't want to put my email right now, then I click offline account. I click and get it now. No, sorry, limited experience. And now I put the same name I put in the Windows 7. If you remind, it was client. Okay, I write here client, and then next. I don't need a password right now. Okay, yes, I accept. In this, I don't change anything, I just put accept. And now the Windows 10 is starting. Okay, I'm just gonna give a little pause until this messages disappear, and then I come back. Okay guys, finally we have Windows 10 completely installed on our system. As you see, we have Windows 10 behind Windows 7 installed first. Let's check now if it's everything okay with the keys. Let's check if it's authentic. Look at that. Windows is activated. Windows 10 Pro authentic. Okay, we don't need to use it crack program to make it activated. Only original serial number in Windows 7, and we were able to install Windows 10 Pro for free. Okay, that's it. And after that, we have to look for updates. Okay, it's the last thing you have to do. You type updates down here and install the video driver. You see that installed the video driver for itself, and then we have to check for updates. Yes, that's it, people. Guys, it's over. That's the way you have to do for format your laptop and install Windows 10. I hope I may help you and enjoy it. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, and that's it. Thank you very much for watching.